Hey, it's James Croft. Today we're going to be previewing an assignment submission folder in Connect. This helps you see the assignment submission folder as a student would see it, and make sure that your settings and instructions are all correct before it's ready to go. To preview an assignment submission folder, first make sure you're in the Assignments tool, then click the More Actions drop-down and select Preview. From here, we can start to preview the submission folders that have been set up. We can choose to bypass any current restrictions on submitting to any of our folders. If you have due dates or release conditions already set up, this will help you temporarily bypass these while we preview. Let's click on a folder's title to preview. Here we can see the instructions have been set out for students to follow, as well as the attached files and end date for submission. Moving down the page, I can also see the Submit Files area, where I can upload a sample assessment. Let's do this now. Click the Add a File button and we'll upload a file. You can click the Upload button to search your computer, or just drag and drop a file into the indicated space. Click Add to complete the upload. Now I can also add a brief comment to the comment box. I'm checking that my submission folder is configured properly, so I'm going to tick the box that allows this preview submission to be available in the folder. If you're happy with your test submission, click the Submit button. Now we'll see the screen telling students their submission was successful, including the files they submitted, their comments, the submission date, and file size. Connect will also email the student with an assignment submission receipt. When testing, you'll receive one of these too. I'm happy that all of my settings are configured okay, and the student submission process was easy, so we'll return to the preview screen by clicking Done. From here, I can test other folders, or if I'm done testing, I can return by clicking the Exit Preview button. It's always a good idea to test assessment items, like assignment submission folders, to make sure they're exactly what you want before making them available to students.